gonna give him a kiss? Gentle? Give Spencer a kiss. Oliver, give him another kiss. Gentle, Oliver. Oh, he's too far away for kisses? It's okay. Gentle. Oh, good kissing. Oh, Oliver. That's so good, Oliver. Thank you. Okay. Oh, nice kissing. He climbed all the way up there for that kiss. You give a kiss, Owen? You blow a kiss to Spencer? You blow kisses?